Hey, what's up, guys? Charles Ford here. I'm gonna bring you a few tips and a little information that may help you understand why your credit score can drop while you're in the process of trying to restore your credit or build your credit. Number one, a late payment may hit your account while you're in the process of working on your credit. That one late payment could drop your score between 50 and 100 points. Yes, one late payment. You may have a collection or a charge-off start to be reported on your account. That also can drop your score 50 to 100 points. If there was an increase in your credit card utilization, meaning if you over 30%, that could drop your score. Uh, if a new account was added to your credit file while in the process of fixing your credit, that could drop your score some. Each inquiry could hurt your score 3 to 5 points, depending on how many times that bank or institution ran your credit. Um, some credit limits are not being reported, so sometimes your credit card companies, they don't report your limit, and that hurts your utilization rate because the bureau's not seeing the limit. They just seeing how much you spend. They seeing the high balance, but not seeing your limit, and that could hurt your score, drop your score a few points. Uh, if an active account has been closed, that could drop your score a little bit. Any positive accounts that's been removed from your credit report, that also could drop your score. Um, if an account that was being disputed is no longer being disputed, that could kind of have a little small effect on your score, dropping your score a little bit too. Now, look, these things can be in errors. It could be fraudulent. It could be accurate. Once the person who's doing your repair or helping you out, they get a hold of these things and understand what's going on, they'll be able to help you better. I just wanted to bring you some information to inform you why your score could drop while you're in the process of fixing your credit. Stay calm. Let the person you working with investigate, see what's going on. Man, stay focused. Listen, it's all going to work in your favor. Trust the process. Again, my name is Charles Ford, and I'll talk to you all later. Be blessed.